Aku sayang, kamu juga sayang, tapi sayang kita berjauhan.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Tapi bohong.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Siti Aisyah. I'm from A class. Today I will explain you about procedure text how to make a S copy. It's for English achievement. Let's check it out. Okay, first prepare your materials and tools. The materials I have is Goodday coffee, powder, and ice cube. And the tools is glass and spoon. Second, put the coffee powder into the glass. Third, add a little water. Fourth, stir until evenly mixed. Last, add ice cube. Finally, es coffee is ready to be enjoyed. Okay guys, this is es coffee made by me. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.